We are obsessed with diamond art in this house. So we bought 2 kits. We have the cats and the sea life, and we just opened them up. So we're doing our very first one here. It is so simple. It comes with everything you need. You just stamp that, and then you can use like 1 thing of pink for like what, 3 to 4 of the little diamonds, and then you just pull the top of one of the diamonds, and you want to get it when it's that side up. And then you just stick it, oops, sorry, Athena, I messed you up. You just stick it on, and it says the different letters, and then these have the matching letters that go with it. I will totally pick that up. I made that giant mess.
Did you say that on camera?
I did say it on camera. That's okay. And then she's been doing this before, so you know exactly what to do. It's so relaxing. It's great for kids, but I gotta say, I'm really into it as well, so I'm gonna start one as well. And it's just really nice to use. And then when you're done, you can stick them on like water bottles. You can put it on your laptop, wherever you wanna put it, and you have it. And here's our kitty too, discovering what this is and saying, okay, I wanna do diamond art. So fun. I think you're gonna love it.